Get one of my Blasted Biscuits. See if this baby's done. Take this outside and give it a review. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. 8.26% ABV. I dialed down the picture there. We're going to take a picture out with us. I don't know if the wife wants to run that sideways slowly or whatever. But that's what it looks like. So we're going to enjoy one of these outdoors. The Blasted Biscuit. 8.25%. The head faded into oblivion, into nothingness. She seems to be carbonated after a week and a half. Maybe not totally. I got Munich malt in here, Willamette hops, all kinds of hops. And we use it with candy sugar. It was put in this batch, so well, the smell is almost smoky, but that could be because I got the grill on. Oh shit. I don't know how to describe anything no more. Almost tastes like plum, but it's not. Is what it is, I guess. So, do I like it? It's got biscuit malt, Munich malt. Oh, what else? Not too bad. It's not too bad of a beer. Almost tastes like another one I made before. It's got some good lacing, but like I say, no head. So, like I say, I got the pitcher out here. I drink that before it gets warm. She pours ahead, but she fades pretty quick. That could be because of the glass and whatnot. Pretty creamy. You do smell a biscuity smell. It is a Blasted Biscuit beer. It was made with biscuit malt also. I know that's in there. I think it was Willamette hops. Boy, should have brought my sheet out with me, but I just don't think. Here's a bee trying to drink it on me. We put candy sugar in here. It was a caramelized candy sugar. We made it for the Girl Scouts, I think it was, for a Girl Scout party or something like that. And she is correcting me again. I told her to get her own channel. She just won't listen. So it's got that biscuity flavor, almost toasty, or a dough that's going to go in the oven that your grandmother would make there, or my grandmother would. Anyway, nice rolls for Thanksgiving or whatnot. And a little nutty flavor. I'm getting a little nut. Caramel and nutty. That's the Munich malt and the biscuit malt, I'm sure. And I think I had Marisada in here too. So that's got its own, their own nutty flavors all together. So we went for a biscuity type, nutty type flavor, and I guess I kind of hit it. On the nose, I guess it's a pretty decent beer. If I had to rate it, I'd give it a 7. I think every beer I ever rated in my life is a 7. It's pleasurable. The a little spiciness is probably coming off the T58 yeast. You would almost say that there's like cinnamon or something in here, but there isn't. There's no cinnamon. It's coming off of that caramel candy sugar that we made at home here. You gotta watch the video to see what it looks like. It was all, yeah, candy. It goes into candy and you can eat it or melt it back down. The hops, like I said, Willamette, Cascade maybe. I forget what they are, so I'll do another review on it. Maybe add some more to this video because this almost sounds like it goes with my series, but it doesn't. So until next time, we're going to drink this pitcher before it gets piss warm, I'll tell you that. At 8.25%, that's going to set me back on my toes. Or is that forward on my toes? Set me back on my heels. Something like that. So until next time, stay thirsty, would you? Proust.